Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy Degenerate coming at you on September 5th, 2019. Today, we're looking at this long trade, and I'm just pitching you some propaganda. Everything regarding trading, regardless of who the source is propaganda. They do have an agenda of some sort. And it's for you to figure out if you can benefit from it, or you could just, form your own ideas and make your own trades, and then other people's ideas don't matter. But this video, I'm going to walk you through my thought process on why I'm taking this trade. One, as a journal for myself to look back on over the years so that I can improve, but also hopefully that others can learn and improve faster than I did when I started, and faster than I am improving currently. So this is the chart we're looking at. It's the Litecoin US dollar pairing on a monthly candlestick basis. We had a 9 count. We had a 1 through 4 correction. We've had 2 down months. This past month I want to talk about, August, we've had less volume come in. And I'm willing to take this bet because if a 2 starts trading above a 1, right? That's momentum, and you trade in that direction. So if this candlestick starts trading below this 1 right here in August, I want to cut this trade, because where else can it really rebound here? If this is the volume profile right here, it's telling you that a lot of the buyers are between $53 and like $36. We'd be back in the bear market for at least a couple more days. Probably through September, maybe through October. We could range in this for a while. But because of where this closed, it doesn't really have a wick, and we are at a really good risk to reward ratio, in my opinion. And you look at smaller charts, you have resistance right here, or not resistance, support rather, coming in at this area, back from the 29th of April. You have more support coming back here at August 27th, 2018. And when you're looking back on the charts around November 2017, this is where it was hiccuping before it broke out. So when I first saw this trade, I was looking at the daily, alright? And here's the thing. There's an aggressive 13 right here, coming back from 9, 8, this counts it all the way down. This 9 count right here, this is the only 9 count that you have. This is from 100 down to 88. That's a larger count from here, but barely. I believe I wouldn't take the counting on this 9 count. This wick is a little weird. So if this 9 count, if this is the one you're playing off of, an aggressive 13 comes in right here, and you have larger volume build up, you're retesting about the support, and here's the thing. When I draw a trend line and I start at the peak, I pull it down. This is about where we're getting to. Seems like we've had a few false breakouts. Right there it touched. Had a false breakout here. It closed underneath it, leading to me to believe this line is significant. It touched again, it got rejected. It touched again, it got rejected. We have a 2 trading above a 1. That is positive. And I believe that this is considered a retest right here, or what I would consider a retest. When I pull up the RSI, we are oversold. This isn't making a lower low than this, but we did reach oversold territory and we came back above that. I don't need to pull up an OBV to tell you that we are currently going to be pointing upwards because of all of this volume that's positive. The volume profile, when I look back over this area, tells me that this is the bottom of a value area. This is the bottom of a value area. If we get back into the value area for 2 periods, I would expect us to reach the top of the value area. That's normally just how value areas work. So again, because we closed at the bottom of the month, you have an ability to have a quite cute stop loss over here. So for me, I'm cutting it the second it gets into $61. That's what this alert is saying here. My entry, $65, cutting at 61. My target 1 is 77. My target 2 is 87. My target 3 is 100. Target 4, 115. Target 5, 140. And if it breaks out after that, Liddy. But if it doesn't, whatever. This, where did I have it? I guess I had it closer up here. My T1 should really be about the $80 mark, because that's a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. But also I had to stop a little bit closer because I entered down at 65. So again, at the moment, it's propaganda because I'm telling you to buy this and it is 60 cents higher than where I entered. So in theory, by buying this, you are helping me pump my bags. But it's also just a record of my ideas. I'm entering this trade because the USD value broke the trend line. The RSI is oversold. And there's also, on the BTC pairing, this is past support. So I'm trading this on 1-day charts. I don't expect it to be in this range for long. I expect to break out to the upside probably in the next week. If for real it takes more than 7 candles, I'm doing it wrong. I really want this to be here in the next 4 or 5 candles. Probably, if today's Thursday, Monday, I would like to see it there. Primary indicators supporting my decision, obviously, this TD countdown right here. The trend is not my friend at all. Obviously, this trend is going down. But I'm looking at a reversal after breaking the trend line. And if it doesn't happen now, it's going to lose all significance of this trend line. You're going to have to draw a different trend line. You're going to have to see some different reasons to take this trade for other people to get into this trade. If people don't see it, that's fine. That's why you manage your risk. My entry point, is it technically perfect? No, I guess my entry point could technically be down here towards $62 or $63, but because it's an aggressive 13 and where Bitcoin levels are at, I don't necessarily see it getting there. I mean, if it does, that's great. I could have sized in more of my account. But at the moment, I don't see it. So I've already walked you through my game plan. Entry 65, cut 61, T1 say 80, T2 87, right up here. And then you go from there. Hopefully there's going to be some pyramid trading so that you can really snowball your profits. But yeah, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching this 11-minute video. I didn't expect it to be that long. And I hope you enjoy your weekend and you have some safe trading and you do your dang old thing.